Hello, welcome to another edition of Sundays with Giovanni, and I am here with Giovanni. I'm Dr. Susan Lange, Doctor of Oriental Medicine, and I'm here with our scholar friend, Giovanni Maciocia. And we are in this little mini-series, so this is episode 8, but within the bigger series of Sundays with Giovanni, we're doing this little mini-series on the 5 spirits of the 5 elements. And I just wanted to do a little kind of outframe to give you a visual of what that looks like, because we've been talking about it, but here's a diagram, and it is from an old J.R. Worsley, Dr. Worsley, Professor Worsley, who was one of the originals who taught in England, and this is from the 1970s, this chart. So we're going to borrow it from him briefly because it's such a great visual. And we've worked with the Shen. That was with the early couple of episodes, 1 and 2. You did a lot on the Shen, which was very, very interesting, and you went into, I'm doing a quick review here, and you went into the character of the Shen and the meaning and how, or what I would find thrilling is the meaning is about extending out and communicating and connecting,
yes,
which fits in with what we teach in our biodynamic cranial and rejuvenation work, which is the social engagement nervous system taught by Dr. Porges and the Polyvagal Theory. So I feel I'm talking awfully fast, but so that was the Shen that we covered. In the last episode, we've touched on the Hun. We did quite a lot on the Hun, which is the wood. So the Shen is the heart. We're talking about what they say in Chinese medicine, they call them the Zang.
The Zang, the 5 Zang, yes.
The 5 Zang, which are the yin organs. So we have the heart, the spleen, pancreas in Western, if you have to translate it, the lungs, the kidney, and the liver. And in episode 7, we talked about the Hun of the liver, the spirit of the liver. And you talked about the ethereal soul. And the Shen, the spirit of the heart. And now we're going to go to the Je, and that is the spirit of the kidneys. And then in the next couple of episodes we'll do the spirit of the spleen, which is the Yi, and the spirit of the lungs, which is the Po. Anything else you'd like to add to our simple overview?
No, just to say that this knowledge of the 5 elements is very ancient.
Very ancient.
The earliest mention of the 5 elements is probably from 500 BC.
So very, very ancient, and yet the ancients knew about the importance of flow, that everything needs to flow in order to be in harmony. And also, what you probably can't see here is that balancing or controlling or containing energy that keeps things from cycling out of control. So there's this amazing balance that the ancients understood way back, and that we need to learn in our modern society to keep us sane. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. So thank you, Dr. Worsley, for having done such a great chart that we've used for decades. And now over to Giovanni, and we're going to end this little episode and start with the Je in episode 9.